Well, today we'll be looking at how to work out percentages. Now before you do this, you should be familiar with multiplying fractions. So if you're not, feel free to look at the videos that I've done on multiplying fractions. Now percentages will come across all key stages. So key stage 2 is a primary school SATs test, and also in the beginning papers of your GCSE maths, also in functional skills as well, functional skills type of questions with worded problems and such. So say for example we have to work out 15% of, let's say, 30 kilograms. Now you have to know that in maths, of means multiply. So now all I'd have to do is put this percent over 100. Of means multiply, and you multiply by the amount, which in this case is 30. Now to make it look like a fraction, I can put it over 1. That's only to make it look like a fraction. The reason being, 30 divided by 1 is still 30, so this number here does not change. The value of this number does not change. So 30 divided by 1 is 30, so just to make it look like a fraction, you can put it over 1. So now in this case, what you have to do, if this is 30 and this is 100, again you take away 1 0. Right, now you're left with 3 and 10. I can't simplify 3 and 10. So go ahead if you want, pause the video and see if you can work it out. But it's just back to multiplying fractions. Right, so what you have to do now, you multiply straight across. So 15 times 3 will be 45. And then 10 times 1 will be 10. Now if you know that when you divide by 10, you go back 1 decimal point, so your final answer will be 4.5 kilograms. Okay, so let's see if you can work out 25%. Let's say 500 pounds. Okay, go ahead, pause the video if you want to, and then we'll come back and have a look at how to do this. Now remember, of means multiply, and the percentage always goes over 100. So you got 25 over 100, multiply by the amount, which is 500. And I'm just putting it over 1, again to make it look like a fraction. Now over here there's 2 zeros, so I can cancel the 2 zeros like that. So what's left here is 1 and 1, and you got 25 and then 5 here. So what you do is go across, you multiply straight across like that. Do not multiply diagonally as some students think. You multiply straight across that way. I'll put a sign here. So you go to 25 times 5, which should be 125 pounds. Now the key thing you have to remember is that if you have a decimal amount, because they can ask you these questions in calculator papers as well, you cannot cancel the 0. So for example, if you had, let's say, 25% multiplied by £5.50, I cannot take the 0 away here, okay, because it's a decimal. I can only take the 0 away when it's a whole number. So in this case you can just use a calculator and divide your answer by 100. Okay, thanks for watching.